Hey everyone, Kaikane Smith here. I hope all of you are having a wonderful day today. Today I'm going to briefly talk about why teaching English in Asia is the best. I have put out other videos about Asia, but today I'm just going to, give you another brief rundown of why it's the best of all the other places to teach English and get rich teaching English. Of all the wonderful places in the world where teaching English is possible, throughout my amazing and brilliant career as an English instructor, linguist, master of English, English master, linguistic specialist, whatever you want to call it, it is Asia I lay claim as the best area in the world to teach English, guys. Simply put, it offers the most amazing experiences. Native English teachers are in extreme high demand, and as of writing this book, the Asian region pays the highest for private English lessons. The Middle East pays the highest for language school, university, or school instruction. Okay, big difference. Most notably in Asia, China, Taiwan, and Japan. That's all I'm going to tell you. Those are the three main countries where if you want to teach English in Asia, you need to be in one of those countries for the opportunities into making tons of cash. Okay, while you may be working at an ELC, English Language Center, or an ELS, English Language School, and paying taxes in the beginning, guys, once you get your foot in the door and get adjusted to the country and culture you are surrounded in, you will be able to make tons of money teaching English via private lessons, tax free, if and only if you play your cards right. All right, when you're working at the language school in any country or in anywhere in the world, you will pay taxes, except for in the Middle East. Okay, but for private lessons, no matter where you are, you're not going to be paying taxes, and nobody's going to give a damn. So keep that in mind. Don't forget, although teaching in the Middle East does usually pay the highest for school instruction, you are very limited to certain things you can do in that area of the world, if you know what I mean. It is very beautiful. Food is awesome. You can go there for like a short stint of like a year or something like that, like I did. I think I did like a year and a half back in the day. But you are limited to things, what you can do there in comparison to Asia and the rest of the world for teaching English. Also, I have to stress the point of cash flow and getting rich teaching English, guys. In Asia, your money-making potential is unlimited and you can have tons of fun compared to most other countries abroad. All you need to do is work hard, bust the right moves, and listen to my advice, okay? Also, don't forget, as I said in my book and my previous vids, stay away from Southeast Asia, please. If you want to make a lot of cash teaching English, you will not make it in that area of Asia. Southeast Asia pays the lowest. I mean, we're talking about in some cases less than $1,000, in most cases not even more than $1,000 or $1,500 a month. So stay away. And private lessons as well in that part of the world are really, really crappy for pay. So don't even think about it. Okay, that's it for today, chaps. Be sure to check out my cool website, getrichtechingenglish.com, and get my book if you haven't. Also, if you have any in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find an ESL job abroad and make tons of money, then please get my book or book me in an email or Skype consultation via my website. You awesome people have a lovely day, and stay tuned for more awesome videos. I got thousands to putting up several each and every day, so stay tuned. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.